Hi, this is highVoltage, and today I'll be showing you my automated book report. So what it does is it moves this film that I made to show you about the book, which is A Dog's Life. Obviously about a dog. It's very good. So yeah, here it is. So I'm stopping it so you can read the film and see the pictures. Yeah. So, how did I do it? So what I have here inside is my motor, which is held up by an eraser just so it doesn't like flop down. And then attached to that is my Crickit and my CPX. And on the CPX is button A and button B, and that's what I'm pressing to make it move. Yeah. And then also it's attached to this remote. So you don't need a remote, you can just plug it into like an outlet. But the only reason I needed this was that so I could present it in my school, because the outlets are in really inconvenient places in my school. So yeah. So all you would need if you wanted to make this is a photo box or like a cereal box, a shoe box, anything like that to use to like present it. And then also some red fabric or paper even to make it look like the curtains in a theater. And then I also have some sparkly ribbon right there. Totally not needed, but hey, it sparkles, so I used it. Then inside I have my two wooden dowels and a film that I made just out of cut paper. And then I colored it with like markers and stuff. And then, yeah, it's pretty basic. But then I have my 3D printed parts here to hold this hairband. You can use anything, like you can even use a rubber band or anything, just to attach these two parts so that when the motor moves the bottom piece, it also moves the top piece. So yeah, I recommend having these inside. They're like something sturdy. This is wood and this is like 3D printed. It's just so that like when the wooden dowel goes in there, it doesn't like weaken the cardboard because it's moving. So this just like makes it sturdier. You don't need it, but it's kind of cool. So then also you don't have to make it electronic. You can just like make it without the motor and all, and just like move the dowel. Yeah, and I coded it in CircuitPython. Yeah. So it's actually pretty easy, believe it or not.